Okay, so there was this huge thump on my window, which always means a bird has run into it. So I looked out and saw a feather, and I'm really always hoping that I never see a bird out here. But then I see this, and it is breaking my heart, and I'm hoping that he is okay and just in shock because he looks pretty alert. You never see these guys. He's a pileated woodpecker. I want to just let him stay here for a second because I think he's just, you know, having a concussion from running into the window. But he seems to be alert and okay. Poor little guy. My heart's beating so fast because I want him to be all right. I'm concerned about the way his beak is. I hope he didn't break it. Since he just moved it, maybe it's okay. He's pretty alert, and his neck is clearly not broken, which is awesome, because that happens a lot when they hit the window. I just don't want to touch him because I want him to be okay. You up? Can I pick you up? Are you gonna be okay? Look at you. I think you're gonna be alright. Yeah. I think you're gonna be okay. Oops. Can you grab hold? I don't want you to peck me. Can you grab hold? Oh, he's okay, I think. His neck doesn't seem to be damaged. Seems to be alright. I'm gonna see if I can get him to perch on my fingers without biting me. Come here, buddy. Come here, can you get up on my finger? Oh, he's grabbing hold. Can you get up on my finger? Here, bud. There you go. Bless your heart. Bless your little heart. Hi, buddy. Hi. Poor thing. His legs are nice and strong. I think he's just knocked out. I don't want to put him anywhere that's going to endanger him. What if I sit you here on the chair? There you go. Spread those wings, baby. Spread those wings. Okay, I'm going to stop filming because I'm going to try and get him in a spot that's safe. So we went for a little walk, thinking that maybe just getting some getting some air might do him good. But I've now decided I think he's a baby, or at least a young one. And he tried to fly, but then it didn't get very far, and he just now is hanging onto my shirt. So, hold on. I think he's just a little baby. Hi. There. Okay, now he's on my arm. All right then. He doesn't want to leave my hand, except I have to go to work. But now he's hanging out on my arm. Okay, so I guess we'll just go for a little walk for a while. I think he's fine. I think he's just young and he hit the window. He got disoriented and now I'm his buddy. Okay. Not everybody can say they have a pileated woodpecker as a friend, but I can. I was always for the woodpecker and Bugs Bunny anyway. That coyote, I always wanted him to get beat. I thought the Roadrunner was awesome. Well, yeah, that was a Roadrunner, not a woodpecker. I'm ridiculous. Anyway, woodpecker. Don't make fun of me for that. Focus on the woodpecker. He's cool. I don't know where their nest is. Well, he doesn't want to leave my arm. I don't know if he can learn how to go up. Can you go up my arm? Can you? He just wants to hang out.